you should do it, man. I need some. Do it.
If I win like $100, I'll do it.
All right. If Van wins $100 tonight, he's gonna ride the boat.
Welcome to the room.
You just made it to the hotel room. We're at Mohegan Sun today. Celebrating Jordan's birthday over here. We got our 2 full queen size beds. And then we got 2 couches over here. The desk. Yeah, it's kind of a mess right now because everybody's settling in.
The bathroom here. I'll show you the bathroom.
Yeah, we want
Wow.
All right, bathroom tour.
Shower. Toilet. Same. And mirror showing me.
Oh, and then we got our closet. Oh. I can't open it. We got our closet over here.
Wow.
The safe, hangers, all the iron stuff. A full-size mirror. And yeah. Getting settled in here. For the night, the kids are gonna stay in here, and the adults are gonna go do adults. Here's Tanya, siblings, Ryan, Nina, Jordan.
We'll win big tonight.
We're out of the hotel room now. We're gonna explore Mohegan a bit, and then grab some food to eat, and then wait for everybody else to meet up with us. And yeah, so first stop, Chick-fil-A. Let's eat up, fill yourselves up before the night begins.
Y'all have all night to eat Krispy Kreme.
We need an eating catchphrase.
That's open 24/7.
For the vlogs.
What's open 24/7?
Say something before you eat.
Alright, what is it?
What's a good eating catchphrase? Something you say before you eat for the vlog. Let's dive on.
Let's dive on. No.
Let's dive right in.
Alright, that's going in the vlog.
Okay. Dive right in. Oh, should we do another mukbang? We haven't done it in a while. Right? Camera, please.
Alright, they're taking over my vlog.
Hello, TV-inators. Right? Is that TV's fans? So today,
TV, what's your
what's your fan
what
base?
are your fan called?
I don't have one, so you guys can come up with one.
I thought Christine made one like a long
How about
time
TV
ago.
Michelins? Yeah, Michelin hotel, Michelin food, restaurants, like fancy, you know?
What did you order?
Who cares? Whatever.
Hello TV Michelle's.
Bloopers.
Okay, hello TV
Anyways,
fans.
hello.
So welcome to our segment of the show, the Jordan and
Best
Bianca.
part.
Jordan and Bianca.
The Jordan Bianca segment.
Mukbang segment. And today we'll be eating.
Chick-fil-A.
Okay, so
So today
Nice
I got a Cobb. No, I got a market salad with no Parmesan cheese.
for now I
What'd you
have a spicy deluxe meal, some nice fries, Polynesian sauce, and Chick-fil-A sauce.
We're trying to make a segment.
So comment down below what
I'm
your
crashing
favorite.
this mukbang.
Comment down below what your favorite Chick-fil-A sauce is, and
If it's not Polynesian, you need to leave.
you need to leave. Like you're
Like, leave.
unsubscribe. Just get out of here. You can even dislike the video.
Honestly.
Unknowingly walking towards it.
So weird.
We're having fun.
Nina's reaction to their segment.
Trust me, Nina's just gonna replay our part of your video over and over. And so will Jason. He's our reporter. So, my Lynn and TV decided to order a kid's meal. And if you order a kid's meal, you get a finger puppet that says, eat more chicken.
Now we're just gonna be waiting for everyone to arrive so we can start off our weekend the right way with no gambling because we are underage.
There's a storyboard for the
Polynesian sauce, please.
See? Polynesian sauce. I don't know.
Actually, both of them, yeah.
Oh, you share? Oh, never mind. If you don't want to share, that's fine.
Coven.
I just like poured it in my
Coven.
sandwich. TV Michelle is canceled. Okay, guys, she is canceled. We do not talk about TV Michelle anymore. Unsubscribe, follow Jordan and Bianca's Mukbang.
On my own channel.
Yeah, we canceled her. The segment will be taking over full time.
You only have viewers because of our segment.
It flew in.
Anyways.
All right, the boys are here. Well, some people. Oh, my bad.
You just stole the camera.
My bad, my bad, my bad.
Cancel TV 2020.
We're here trying to make a food segment. She would just snatch the camera.
Where are you going?
And she can't even set it up properly.
Rude, rude, rude.
Not a true vlogger. Okay, welcome back. Because TV decided to be rude and just snatch the camera right in the middle of our segment. Okay, subscribe to Bianca and Jordan Mukbang channel.
All right, I'm cutting this out. Cutting their part out. We're dropping off all the kids at the Kids Quest. Letting the kids have fun here while the adults go have our fun. Okay, 1,000 tickets on the first try. Bye, children. Have fun. Stay safe. Time to go to the casino. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Hopefully we win tonight. Are you gonna ride it? Yeah, do it. You should do it, man. I need some. Do it. Do it.
If I win like $100, I'll do it.
All right, guys. If Van wins $100 tonight, he's gonna ride the bull. Van, tell him what happened.
Go ride the bull. It was a successful night.
He won $200 on roulette. So
I knew it was gonna bounce back like a hockey stick.
So Van's riding the bull tonight. What? She's too freaking sure she needs assistance to get on the ball. I guess I'll ride the bull for the vlog. This is my first time riding one of those things.
shorts because our skin will be better grip on that.
Maybe.
My pants will slip it through.
My legs are so sore. I think I pulled a muscle.
About to scan the key. Oh god, she's doing it for the content. Here we are. About to walk in. We are walking in.
We're walking in.
We are walking in. Oh, thank you. Happy birthday! I didn't see it.
We had a little adventure while you guys are setting up. How do you feel?
I feel like a big boy now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jordan. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Thank you.
Happy 8th birthday.
Are you two? Are you three?
Let us, professionals. How do you record? Is it recording? Oh, it's recording. Bye. Your favorite person ever. Good night, everyone. Bye. Bye. Let's go do it together on 3. Ready? Ready? 1. Bye. No, 1, 2, 3. Bye. Wait, we have to start. See you guys next time. See you guys next time. Remember to like and subscribe. Click the red button. I see you like in the gray button, but click the red button.